Hello friends, today we are going to learn about scalar quantity. In scalar quantity, we are going to look upon its definitions, its examples such as time, temperature, distance and speed. As well as we are going to learn about what is the importance of scalar quantity and its application in real time. Let's start with what is a scalar quantity. So friends, what is scalar quantity? A scalar quantity which does not require a direction to indicate it, such as time, temperature, mass, etc. To understand it properly, we need some example. Let's start with some example with time. So, you all are wearing wristwatch, or we can assume that we all have watch or wall clock in our home. Your clock does not show you any direction, in which direction your time is. It only shows you time in either seconds, hours or in minutes. So your time is a scalar quantity and its SI unit is either in seconds, minutes or in hour. Then let's look upon speed. Speed is also a scalar quantity. How? Let's check this out. So your vehicle is moving on a certain speed on a road. It does not show you in which direction it is going on when we are talking about speed. Speed only shows you how much faster is your vehicle is going on. So your speed is a scalar quantity. Then let's look upon distance. Distance is also a scalar quantity. Why we require distance? To measure certain length between 2 points, such as distance between your home to your school, distance between two trees or two objects, but it does not show you any direction. So distance is a scalar quantity. We measure distance in either centimeter or millimeter or kilometers. SI unit of distance is meter. Here in figure we can check distance between Earth and Moon. Then look upon temperature. What is temperature? A temperature is a measurement of how cold or hot your object is, but it does not show you any direction. So temperature is a scalar quantity. We measure temperature in either Kelvin, Celsius or Fahrenheit, but SI unit of temperature is Celsius or Kelvin. In diagram, you can see the comparison between Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit. What is the importance of scalar quantity? Why we required scalar quantity? To understand it. Well, to determine distance, speed, mass, energy or density of an object, we require scalar quantity, or we can say we are highly dependent upon scalar quantity. So we all have to understand scalar quantity while we are in engineering. Lastly, we will discuss about what is the application of scalar quantity in real life. Where do we apply it? We apply scalar quantity to determine speed of the vehicle, or we can say change in speed of the vehicle. As well as we can determine what is the difference in temperature while we are boiling our object or cooking our object, or like in metallurgy we are melting our object. We can measure change in temperature with the help of scalar quantity. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please go into description box. Some MCQs regarding this topic are given. So thanks again.